was that noise? Did you hear that? It kind of sounded like something was growling. It was like... It was like really scary. It scared me, guys. I don't know what it was, but it really freaked me out like a lot. If I can go back to sleep, and then I'll just see if I can go back to sleep, and then like I'll see if I can hear the noise again. See if you guys can hear it. Did you hear it again? Wasn't it freaky? What do you think it is? It's really scaring me. I can't get any sleep with that noise going on. You know what? I'm going to set up a video recorder, and then I'm going to listen to it, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Plan 1. Going to sleep. See if I can record a sound. Alright. Okay. I heard it again. I recorded it. Okay? So, let's listen to it and break all of it down. Evidence. Oh my god. Oh my god. Me. Oh my freaking god, I snore. No wonder I don't have any friends. Kidding, I have plenty of friends, but still I snore. Oh my god. Nobody told. The question is, do you snore? Come on, be back and see if you snore.